I noticed a few people having issues with the do-it-yourself removal of graphics from their ATC toy haulers, so I thought I would share a few quick tips based on our experience that hopefully will help anyone else who is planning to do the same. My husband worked at a sign shop many years ago before I met him, and he applied some of the techniques he used back then to the removal of graphics from our ATC toy hauler. We bought ours on April 30th, 2021 from the showroom, so graphics were already on, and we removed the graphics the very next day on May 1st. The sooner the better to prevent fade marks. It was not exceptionally warm that day.
Probably better to do on a warmer day.
It was in the 60s, but it was sunny, and that did help warm the adhesive. My husband told me that it was much easier to remove on the sunny side than it was on the other side of our ATC, which was catching shade. Another thing to consider is that these graphics were applied before the door frame, before the window frames, before the outlets, etc. And we did find caulking in some of these areas too. So scoring around those areas is going to be super important for clean removal. One regret I'm seeing from others is when people are using the knife, they're cutting all the way through the graphics and then scratching their toy hauler. What David did to avoid cutting into the outer wall was pressing lightly enough to create perforation with the knife, but not cutting all the way through. And then once you have a hold of the piece that you want to remove, instead of pulling that graphic towards you to remove, which is something I would do automatically without thinking, David recommends pulling away from the area that's being removed.
Not like this. Like this. Otherwise you're going to pull the paneling away from you.
He also mentioned that the graphics will come off in larger chunks when removing in that direction as well. And I'll fast forward here so you can see he got it all off in one piece. One of the main reasons we removed our graphics is because of this. You can see it's starting to peel at the top, and then at the top of the logo, it's peeling also. This is someone else's toy hauler that we happened to notice, so something to consider. I hope this helps.